So children, now I'm going to tell you about the exercise 4.1. This is the NCERT exercise. I'm going to tell you how to do this exercise. So let's start. Just a second. Yeah, fine. So I'm going to tell you, the first question is given here. What is the question given here? This is the question. That is the, just a second children. Yeah, I have taken my pen. One more pen. Fine. So now look at the first question. What is given? Question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? If any equation is written in this form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then that will be the quadratic equation. What I mean to say, variable, the highest power of variable is 2. If the highest power of variable is 2, then you can say this is the quadratic equation. Now the first one is given here. So let's see how we can identify easily like this. So first of all, I will write down the equation. X plus 1 square is equal to 2. X minus 3. Now do the square. Become x square plus 1 plus 2x. This is the 2x minus 3. Now you can transfer all the value to this side. X square plus 1 plus 2x minus 2x. And plus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2x and 2x cancel, so you are having x square plus 4 is equal to 0. So yes, you can see this is the highest power of the variable is 2, so you can say yes, it is the quadratic equation. And this one, the minus 2 into 3 minus x, this is not the quadratic equation. Cross x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3. Listen children, if whenever look at this, x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3, the both side the coefficient of x is 1. Let me tell you how to do this question in just a second. I'm going to tell you about the third part. How to do the third part? This is given here, x minus 2, and after this x plus 1, and here x minus 1, and this is the x plus 3. So if I will do the multiply, what I will get? X square minus 2x, and after this x square minus 2x, then plus x minus 2 is equal to with the x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Now you can say x square will be cancelled out. Now you can say this is not the quadratic equation, it is the linear equation. So this is also the wrong option. X minus 3 to x plus 1, x into x plus 1. Let's see how to do this part. Children, just a second. Let me tell you. 1 second. Just a second, children. First, it will take some time to erase it. Okay, fine. So look at this. What is given here? This is x minus 3, 2x plus 1. So now x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 5. Now do the multiply. X into 2x, it becomes 2x square plus x into 1, x minus 3 into 2x minus 3 into 1, 3, x into x, x square, and plus 5x. So now you are having 2x square plus x minus 6x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5x. Transfer all the term to this side. It becomes 2x square minus 5x, and just sorry to say 2x square minus x square. अब x minus 6x था plus x minus 6x minus 5x and minus 3 is equal to 0. So what you will get? You will get x square minus 6x minus 5, 11x, 11 minus x, 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, this is a quadratic equation, so you will say yes, this is also quadratic equation. X into x plus 1. Okay, fine. And the same thing is given here, x plus 5 into x minus 1. Here this is also a quadratic equation. You can solve it. X minus 2 square. This is not a quadratic equation. X plus 2 whole cube. Cube is given here. 2x into x square, it become 2x cube. No, this is not a quadratic equation because cube is given here. X cube minus 4x square, x minus 2 whole cube. So now the cube will be cancel out. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, तो आप इसको एक्सपेंड करके चेक कर सकते हैं. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या गिवन है. रिप्रेजेंट द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या गिवन है. यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि द एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट इज 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट आई विल से, एरिया इज इक्वल टू 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. After the length of the plot in meters is 1 more than the twice its width. Let's listen to me. Let length is equal to x. What I say, length is equal to x and breadth is equal to again y. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area will be x into y. Now see what is the condition. According to the condition, the length of the plot in meters 1 more than twice its width. 1 more than twice its width. It means 2y plus 1. 1 more than twice its width. 1 more than twice its width means 2y plus 1. So I will put it here. Y into 2y plus 1 equal to कितना हो जाएगा बच्चे 528 and after simplification I can say 2y square plus y equal to 528 and your answer will be here, that is the 2y square plus y minus 528 equal to 0. So I hope all of you understood this thing. So now moving to the next question. What is the next question is given here? Just a second children, 1 second. Yes, fine. So this is the second part. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. They are saying for the consecutive integers. So let's see. Let the first number be x and the second number क्या हो जाएगा then after this second number be x plus 1, because they are saying for the consecutive integers. So now what I can say, I can, according to the condition, the product of two consecutive integers, the product is given here. So how we will say, according to question ATQ, what will happen, x into x plus 1 is equal to 306, multiply करेंगे x square plus x is equal to 306 and I will transfer this 306 to this side, ये हो जाएगा x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. ये हमारे पास आ गया. ठीक है, हमको सिर्फ इसमें क्या करना है बच्चे, इस क्वेश्चन में हमको सिर्फ क्या करना है, रिप्रेजेंट करना है इक्वेशन को, ठीक, सॉल्व नहीं करना है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को. तो ये भी हमारा हो गया क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड पार्ट देखते हैं. रोहन्स मदर इज 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's age, present age. वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन है बच्चे. क्या करेंगे, रोहन्स मदर इज 26 years older than him. लेट्स सी, लेट द एज ऑफ रोहन is equal to x. Now age of mother, what is the age of mother, that is the 26 years older than him, so it will be the 26x. Am I right? So you can age of mothers will be 26 is older than him, so 26 plus x. The product of their ages in there after 3 years. So according to condition, after 3 year, after 3 years what will happen, age of Rohan, now according to condition, age of Rohan become x plus 3. Age of mother become, that is the 26 plus x plus 3. So it can also write down like this, 29 plus x. After this the product will be 360. So what I can say x plus 3 into 29 plus x is equal to 360. Do the multiply, it become 29x plus x square, 29 into 3 plus 3x is equal to 360 plus 29x and plus this is the 3x, 29 3 is 87 plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 29 plus 3 32x and 87, I have to subtract 87, so 10 minus 7 it becomes 3 and 15 minus 8 it becomes 7, 273 is equal to 0. This is the representation of the equation, that is the x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Now I am moving to the next part. Train travels a distance of 480 km. Yes, at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Very easy question children. Let's see how to do this question. First of all I will write down, let the speed of train, is equal to x, okay, x kilometer per hour. And we know one thing children, that the speed is equal to, what the formula of the speed is equal to distance upon time. So what I can say children, here distance, I can say again another part, the time is equal to, it become speed into distance. Now I'm going to apply the formula ATQ. One thing is given, that is the 480 kilometer, it travels 480 kilometers. So what I can say, the first time travel to 480 kilometer, what will happen, you can say 480 upon x. Now again it is mentioned here that the speed is reduced to 8 km per hour. So now new speed will be x minus 8. kilometer per hour because I have reduced 8 kilometer per hour. So now what you can say, according to condition, what will happen? Now the next the new time I can say this is the T1. Now the T2 will be 480 upon this is the x minus 8. Now according to the condition what is given here, it's saying that then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. They are saying the same, to cover the same distance it will take 3 hours more. So what I can say, you can say 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 480 upon x. This is the equation. So I will do the simplification. Okay, fine. So is it not visible? Okay, now you can say it will be visible. After this I am going to do the simplification. So how to do the simplification? Let's erase this part. Just a second, children. Okay, fine. Now see how to do the simplification. I am going to tell you the easy way. 480 upon x minus 8 plus 3 upon 480 minus 6. So what I can say 480 upon x minus 8 as it is equal to, take the LCM x, it becomes 3x plus 480. Now do the cross multiply, it becomes 480 into x is equal to 3x plus 480 into this is the x minus 8. Now I will do the multiplication. This is the 480x is equal to 3x into x, it becomes 3x square minus 3 8 ja 24x plus 480x, and after this 480 into 8, this is the minus 8 8 ja 64, पहले 8 into 0 0, 8 8 जा 64, कैरी किया 6, 8 4 जा 32 और 32 और 6 38, 3840. तो थोड़ा इसको 480x को कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, इसको ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए. 3x स्क्वायर minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. This is your required equation. So I hope all of you understood this thing. Now I'm moving to the next part. So what is given here? It is given here in this equation. Exercise 4.2. This is the exercise 4.2. The question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. So very easy method. As I told you, the factorization method is a very easy method. So I'm going to explain you how to do this question. The first one, I'm going to tell you the first part. What is given here? X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So what you can say, this is the x square minus, this is the 3 and this is the 10. So I have to split 3 in such a way that the subtraction of two number will be 3 and the product of these two number will be 10. So I can say 5 minus 2 become 3 and 5 into 2 become 10. So you can say 5x minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. After this x square, this is the minus 5x minus plus, this is the 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So what you can do, you can do one thing, children. You can write it like this. This is the 5x minus 2x. Okay, fine. Just a second, children. 1 second. Okay, children, so I'm going to explain the exercise. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the exercise 4.2. How to do this exercise, children? Look at this. What is the first question? Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation with the help of factorization method. So I'm going to tell you the first question. What is given here? It is given x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So how to do this question, बच्चा? सबसे पहले, first of all, what I will do? I will do the factors of 10. So what are the factors of 10? I can say 2, 5 ja 10, 5 2 ja 5 1 ja 5, 2 and 5. So what you can say? You can split it very easily. Here I can write 5x minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. After this you can say x square minus 5x, this one, and minus plus, these are 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. After this you can take the common from this bracket x, it become x minus 5, and take the 2 common from this bracket, it become x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can take the common x minus 5 from the both bracket, and now you are having x plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the factors. So now what I will say, x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 5. Similarly, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. This is your answer. So I hope all of you understood this thing, children. Now I am going to explain you next question. What is the next question, children, given here? 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So let me tell you how to do this question. First of all, I am going to erase it. Then I will explain you how to do. Just a second, children. It will take some time to erase it. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to tell you the second part. What is the second part is given here, children? The second part is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 2 जा 12, 2 6 जा 12 हो गया. And I will do the factors of 12. 2 6 जा 12, 2 3 जा 6, and 3 1 जा 3. You can say 4. Look at this. 4. This is the 4. This is the 3. 4 minus 3 1. 4 3 जा 12. So whenever you are solving any quadratic equation with the help of factorization, just do the multiplication of. Let me tell you the way how to do. First of all, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Take the coefficient of x square and constant and do the multiply a into c and find the AC, the value of AC. Then split b in such a way that the addition of the b, like if the plus is here, so you have to add two number. If the minus is here, you have to subtract two number in such a way that the product will be equal to AC. Now see 2x square plus, and what you can say, 4 minus 3 x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is the 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. These two values inside one bracket. So 2x square plus 4x minus, take the common, it becomes 3x plus 6, and after this take the common 2, it become, and also you can take, just a second, you can take the whole common 2x. So what you will get 2x, take the common 2x. What you will get here, you will get x plus 4, and here take the common, sorry to say, take the common 2x. What you will get x plus 2. After this take the common 3, you will get x plus 2 is equal to 0. From these two you can take the common x plus 2, and what you are having 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you can say x plus 2 is equal to 0, so you can say x is equal to minus 2, and here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, you can say x is equal to 3 by 2. So I hope all of you understood this thing. Okay, which is the difficult one you are finding? Sir question number 3 बता दीजिए और question number 4 बता दीजिए. Okay, question number 3 और 4 देख लेते हैं. बच्चे बोल रहे हैं question number 3 और 4 बताने के लिए. So let's see question number 3 and 4. Question number 4, I am going to tell you how to do the question number 3 and question number 4. देखते हैं कैसे करना है इसको. Just a second children. बहुत इजी मेथड है, डोंट वरी. चलिए देखते हैं. So now I am going to tell you the question number 3 and question number 4. Look at this. What is the question number 3? Just a second. Yeah. So the question number 3 is given here, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now what I will do? I will do the multiply of a and c, that is the 5 root 2 into root 2. तो 5 root 2 into root 2, 5 into root 2 into root 2 बच्चा कितना हो गया? 2. 5 2 जा 10 आ गया. Now 10 के हमको factors करने हैं, तो you know the factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So how will write down this 7? 5 plus 2. So root 2 x square as it is, 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, and then after this root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now take these two values inside one bracket. Root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. From these two just take the common x, you will get root 2x plus 5, and plus from here you can just take the root 2 outside. So this 2 can be written as like this, root 2 into root 2. So root 2 will be there inside the bracket. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now take the common root 2x plus 5. You can write down like this, root 2x plus 5, and after this x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So you can say x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. These are the two factors of this quadratic equation. So I hope all of you understood this thing. Okay, fine. So I'm going to tell you that this one, the last 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8, this one, few students are asking this one. So let me tell you how to do. First of all, I will erase it, then I will tell you. Okay, fine. So look at this, how to do this question. The question number 4, what is given here? The fourth part, it is given here 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. So first of all take the LCM 8 over here, it become 8 to just 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can say this is the 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. And after this, what you can do? You can do one thing. Look at this. This is a 16x square minus 8x plus 1. So you can say 4x whole square minus this the, okay, sorry to say, I will not solve this by this method. So 16 into 1 becomes 16. So I will do the factors of 16. So this is the 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 1 ja 2. How many times 2? 4 times 2. So you can say 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 become 8. 4 4 ja 16. So you can write down like this: 16x square minus 4x plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. After this, this is a 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a 16x square minus 4x. Take the minus common, it become 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. And after this, take the common 4x, it become 4 4 ja 16, 4x minus 1, and this is the 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So take the common 4x minus 1, and after this, what you will get? You will get 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So these two values are similar to each other. These values are identical. So what you can say? You can say 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So you can say 4x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So you will get two values. So this equation, the question, the part 5, you will do by yourself. This part, the fifth part. Okay, children. Okay, if you are unable to do it, then just drop your message. I will solve it. Okay. Let's see the next question. What is given here? Solve the following situation mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Okay, both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the numbers of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. Okay, very easy question, bachche. What is given here? Total marbles are 45. So let's see. Okay, let John have x marbles and Jivanti have y marbles. Okay, fine. Now what I'm going to tell you, together they are having 45 marbles. So what I can say, x plus y is equal to 45. This is the equation number 1. After both of them lost 5 marbles, so ATQ, they lost the 5 marbles. So what you can say, now John having x minus 5, Jivanti having y minus 5. After this, what they are saying ki, and the product of the numbers of the marbles they now have is 124. The product is 124. So what you can say? You can say x minus 5 and y minus 5 is equal to 124. So just a second, children. First of all, I have to convert this. There are two variables, the x and y. So I have to convert the whole equation in single variable. So what I will do, I said this is the equation 2. So I am going to put the value of y is equal to 45 minus x. I'll put this value in equation number 2. So how to do this thing? Look at this. This is the x minus 5, and after this, the value of y is 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. So this is the x minus 5. After this, 45 minus 5, it become 40 minus x is equal to 124. So you can say, do after multiplication, 40 into x minus x square, 5 into 40 minus plus 5 into x is equal to 124. Is it visible, children? Okay, it is not visible. So okay, computer, please remove me. Okay, now see what you are having. You are having, just transfer this value to this side. You will get x square. Okay, you what will get? X square plus this is the 40x and this is a 45x. So after this is a, just a second, children. So what you will say now? Just do the, this is the 40x and this is the 5x, become 45x minus x square, 5 4 20, it become 200 is equal to 124. So transfer all this value to that side, it become x square minus 45x, and this is 124 plus 200, it become 200 plus 124, 324 is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Now I'm going to solve this quadratic equation. How to do? So just I'm going to erase the part first of all, then I will solve this equation. Give me some time, just a second, children. Okay, fine. So this is the equation, that is the x square minus 45x plus 324. How to do this question? Let's see. Look at the screen, children. So what is given here? It is given here x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay, children. So now what I will do, look at this. I am going to do the factors, and again I will solve it with the help of same method. What is the same method? What I will say, I will do the factors of 324 first of all. So what are the factors of 324? If I talk about 324, 2 1 ja 2, and after this 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, the 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, and 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, and 3 1 ja. So 45 is given here, so I have to add two numbers in such a way that the product will be 324 and the addition will be 45. Look at this, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, and 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. No, it is not possible. So what you can say, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9 become 45, and 36 9 ja 324. So how I will do, look at this, I can write it like this, x square minus 36x plus how much, 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So it become x square minus 36x, and this is the minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So after this what you will write down, you will write down x square minus 36x, take the minus common, it become 9x minus 324 is equal to 0. Take the common x from this part, it become x minus 36. From here you just take the common 9, it become x minus 36 is equal to 0. So now take the x minus 36 common. What you are having? You are having x minus 9 is equal to 0. So the value of x is 36 comma 9. What you are having? You are having the value of 36 and 9. So you can see one thing, children, how many total marbles are there? There are 45 marbles, so you can say 36 and 9. So what you will say, when John having 36, so how many marbles having Jivanti having 9 marbles, and when John having 9 marbles, Jivanti having 35 marbles. So I hope all of you understood this question. So now I'm going to do the next part. Look at this. Yeah, this is the question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, the sum of whose square is 365. Very easy question, bachche. So how to do this question? First of all, let the first number be x, second number be y, or you can say that they are saying about the conjugative number, so you can say y is equal to x plus 1. So the square, sum of their square, according to question, bacha, what you will say? You will say x square plus x plus 1 whole square, it become 365. Now do the square, it become x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. After this it become 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. So you can say 2x square plus 2x and 1 minus 365 become minus 364 is equal to 0, divided by 2, it become x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now 182 I am having, so again I will do the factors of 182. 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2, and this is a 91. So 91, the factors of which term? 91. You can say, if I talk about the 91, it will not the 7 1 ja 7, and it become 21, 7 3 ja 21, and these are 13. So 2 7 13, these are the factors. So how to write this x? You can say 14 minus 13, 7 2 ja 14, 14 minus 13, it become 1, and 14 into 13 182. So now again I am going to tell you, this is x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now it become x square plus 14x, inside one bracket take the common, minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Is it visible, children, everyone? Okay, fine, it is visible to all of you. So now just a second, I am going to write down the lower part here. Take the common x, it become x plus 14, and from here take the common minus 13, it become x plus 14 is equal to 0. From this line just take the common x plus 14, and now you can say x minus 13 is equal to 0. So now x is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to 13. So your answer will be 13 and 14. The first number will be 13 and second number will be 14. I hope all of you understood this thing. Okay, children. So now I am moving to the next part. Let's see what is the question. Yeah, this is the question number 5. What is given here? The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two side. Very easy question बच्चे. First of all एक right angle triangle draw कर लीजिए इस तरीके से. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, and this is a 90-degree angle. What they are saying, the altitude of right angle triangle 7 centimeter less than its base. They are saying it is 7 centimeter less than its base, so let's base is x, so it becomes 7 minus x. And if the altitude of right angle triangle 7 centimeter less, so what you will say here, it become x minus 7 centimeter less, and the hypotenuse is 13. So apply the Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, the AC square is equal to AB square and plus BC square. The value of AC 13, so you will say 13 square is equal to x square and plus x minus 7 square. 13 square become 169. This is the x square. With the x square plus 7 square become 49, and minus 2 into x into 7. So after this, this is the 169. This is the 2x square plus 49 minus 2 7 ja 14x. So transfer all this term to this side. It become 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So what you will get? You will get 2x square, and this is the, look at this term, minus 14x. So you write down minus 14x after 169. So 49 minus 169, 9 minus 9 बच्चे, it becomes 0, and 6 minus 4 it become 2, and this is the 1 2 0 is equal to 0. Divide the whole part by 2, it becomes x square minus 7x minus 2 6 12, it becomes 60. X square minus 7x minus 60. Now I have to solve this equation. So now I am going to tell you how to do the factors of this equation. Look at this very carefully. This is the x square, and this is 7x, and this is 60. So 12x minus 5x, 12 5 ja 60, minus 60 is equal to 0. So you can write down x square minus 12x, and minus minus become plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Just take the common x from here, it become x minus 12, and take the common 5 from this bracket, you will get x minus 12. So this will become x minus 12, and this become x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you can equate x to 0, it become x minus 12 is equal to 0. So you can say x is equal to 12. Is it visible to all of you children? It is not visible to you. Okay, computer ji, please remove me. Okay, now you can see this thing children. Now what you can say, the hypotenuse is find the other two sides. Okay, fine. BC become 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and AB become x, that is the 12 5, and AC become 13. So these conditions are satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, fine. These are the Pythagorean triplet. Let's see the next question. What is given here children? Oh wow, very good question bachche. What is given here in this question? Look at this. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed a particular day that the cost of the production of each article in rupees was 3 more than the twice number of the articles, okay, produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So let's see children how to do this question. I am going to remove myself from the screen because this is a, it's a large question, so I am going to explain you. I will take the whole screen. So what is given here children? So first of all children, it's a very easy question. Let me tell you how to do this question. What they are asking about find the number of articles and the cost of each article. So how I will do? First of all, let me tell you one thing children. Let the number of articles, let the number of articles are x, okay. And now what is given here? One thing is given, it was observed that particular that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles. So I am talking about the cost. What I am talking, cost of article. It will be equal to 3 more than twice the number of article. 2x plus 3 more than twice the number. Okay children. Now I will apply the method ATQ. So what is the condition? If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, so what I will do? I will do the multiplication of these numbers. So it become x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Okay, I think it will not take my whole space, so I will be here. Okay, fine. You can see now what I will do. I will do the multiply. So it become 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. So how can you write? You can write 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. 90 to ja, it become 180. And now you have to do the factors of 180 in such a way that after subtracting two number you will get 3 and the product of these two number will be 180. So how to do this thing? Let's see how to 180. Find the factors of 180. It become 90, it become 45, it become 15. So now you can say 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 15 minus 12. So 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. And after this what you can say? You can say 2x square plus 15x inside one bracket, take the minus common, 12x, and this is the plus 90 is equal to 0. Take the common x from here, you will get 2x plus 15, and take the common from this line, you can take the common 6, 6 to 12, and after this is a 15 is equal to 0. After this 2x plus 15, you just take the common 2x plus 15, and now you can say this is the x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to minus 15 upon 2, which is not possible. The production, the unit of the articles, the number of articles we cannot be negative. So x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Now we will come to know that how many articles are there. Okay, it is hiding by me. Okay, so now you can, what you come to know, you can know one thing, that x is equal to 6. Articles cannot be negative, so the value of x is 6. The cost, I can find the cost easily. It become 2 into 6 plus 3, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 3, 15 rupees per unit. Okay, so children, I hope all of you understood this question. I am moving to the next question. Okay, fine children. So this is the question number 1 of the exercise 4.3. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist. So first of all, I will check how they will exist, and by the method of computing square method. So listen children, if we are having the value of d, what I'm saying, if the value of d is negative, then they will not exist, and the value of the d is positive, then they will exist. So how I will do and check it? I will check it like this: 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. First of all, compare it. It become ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Take the coefficient, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 3. Now do one thing, just find out d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is a discriminant. So b square will become minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 7 square become 49. 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. 49 minus 24 become 25. D is more than 0. D is real number. So the factors of this equations are possible. So now I will move to the further process. So how to do the further process? Look at the screen very carefully. I'm going to tell you. So first of all, I will erase all the things. Then I'm going to tell you how to do this question. How to apply the method of computing square method. How to apply the computing square method. Look at this, children. So look at this equation, children. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 is given here. First of all, divide the whole part by 2. It becomes x square. It becomes 7 by 2x. It becomes 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the, what is the coefficient of x? That is the 7 by 2. Okay. So now you have to do one thing. Take the and do the square of 7 by 2. It become, first of all, divide 7 by 2 by 2. It becomes 7 upon 2 divided by 2. It becomes 7 upon 4. Do the square. It becomes 49 upon 16. So you have to add 49 upon 16 and you have to subtract 49 upon 16. So let's see how I will do. This is the x square minus 40. This is the, just a second, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 upon 16 inside one bracket, and this is the minus 49 upon 16 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. After this you can say x minus 7 by 4 whole square, and take the common take the LCM 16, and here what you can say, this is the 49 plus 3. So this is the minus sign over here. This is the 49 and 16 3 ja 48. It become plus ka 48. So what you will get? You will get x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 1 upon 16 is equal to 0. So you can say x minus 7 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 0. Now you can solve it very easily. You just apply the formula a square minus b square. Add first of all x minus 7 by 4 plus 1 by 4 inside one bracket and inside the bracket x minus 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. हमने कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया बच्चे? a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. दिस इज द a प्लस b इंटू a माइनस b. चलिए सॉल्व करते हैं इसको, तो देखते हैं हमको क्या मिलेगा बच्चे. x माइनस 7 प्लस 1 इट बिकम माइनस 6 अपॉन 4. minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 by 4 is equal to 0. So now what I can say, is it not visible? Okay, fine. Now it will be visible. So what you can say, x minus 6 by 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 by 4. It can be written as 3 by 2. X minus 8 by 4 is equal to 0. You can say x is equal to 8 by 4. It become 2. So I hope all of you understood this thing. Similarly, you have to do this question second part. Just practice this second part. If you are unable to do it, just comment over my comment in the comment box. I will solve this question. Okay, now I am going to tell you the next part. Okay, the same way you can solve these equation with the help of same way as I told you. Okay, चलिए next question देखते हैं हमारे पास क्या है. Question number 2 देखते हैं क्या है. तो in this question what is given here children, it is mentioned here that find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. Very easy question बच्चे. Let's see how to do this question with the help of quadratic formula. So first of all I will write down this thing what is given here. Just a second children. Yeah, it is mentioned here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Write down like this, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. Okay children, so now what you can say, you will apply the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equal to minus b minus the value of minus b minus 7 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 7 square minus 4 into the value of a, that is the 2, and the value of c, that is the 3, upon 2a, 2 into 2. So what you can say, x is equal to become 7 plus minus square root 7 square become 49 minus 4 2 ja 8 8 3 ja 24 upon 4. So what you can say, x is equal to 7 plus minus 49 minus 24, it becomes square root 25 upon 4. So how can you do it? You can say x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. X is equal to 7 plus minus 5 by 4. So now what you can say children, you can say x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 or x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. It become 12 by 4, it become 3, it become 2 by 4, it become 1 by 2. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this thing. So similarly you can solve the second part also. Okay, few parts are also given here. So I am going to tell you the first part and second part you can solve by yourself. क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस भी बहुत जरूरी है ना. हम अगर सभी पार्ट सॉल्व कर देंगे देन व्हाट विल डू. मैं तुमको तो प्रैक्टिस करनी है, एग्जाम तो तुमको देना है ना, हमको देना है. तो देखते हैं सेकंड थर्ड पार्ट देखते हैं. प्रैक्टिस इज वेरी नेसेसरी. तो देखो क्या गिवन है, 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 रूट 3x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. जस्ट कंपेयर इट, ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. a इज इक्वल टू 4, b इज इक्वल टू 4 रूट 3 माइनस का, c इज इक्वल टू 3. अगेन आई विल अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मूला, x इज इक्वल टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. तो x is equal to minus b, the value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. So this is the minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a is 4 into c the 3 upon 2a, 2 into 4. So the value of x will become, just a second children, let me change the color of pen my. Okay, so now you can say x is equal to minus minus plus 4 root 3 plus minus square root 4 root 3. What is the square of 4 root 3? 4 का स्क्वायर 16, 3 का स्क्वायर 3 रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3, 16 3 जा 48 माइनस 4 4 जा 16, 16 3 जा 48 अपॉन 2 4 जा 8. So it become 4 root 3 upon 8 प्लस माइनस 48 माइनस 48 बिकम 0, 4 2 जा 8. तो हमारा आंसर आ गया x इक्वल टू रूट 3 अपॉन 2. दिस इज द आंसर. सिमिलरली यू कैन सॉल्व द सेकंड पार्ट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. Okay, are you getting my point or not children? Okay, fine. So now I'm going to tell you the next part. Okay, fine. What is given here, children? Just a second. Let me see what is given here. The question is not visible to me. It will be visible shortly. Just a second. Okay. Okay, find the roots of the following equation. Okay, find the roots of the following equation. Okay, fine. Equation is not given here. हम लिख लेते हैं इसको. Find the roots of the following equation. UETION equation. ठीक है, तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है बच्चे. Let's see how to do. क्या गिवन है? x minus 1 upon x इक्वल टू 3 गिवन है, तो हम लिख लेंगे x minus 1 upon x इक्वल टू 3 हो गया. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द एलसीएम x, do the cross multiply, it become x square minus 1 is equal to 3. Now you can say x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now you can say x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll do the simplification. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square, and look at this. What is given here? It is mentioned here that x square minus 3x minus 1. So children, I will apply the I will apply the Sridharacharya. That is quadratic formula. Write down ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A become 1, b become minus 3, c become minus 1. Okay, तो few students are asking कि सर श्रीधराचार्य कहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं और कहाँ पे हम फैक्टर्स करते हैं. बच्चा मेरे देखो, श्रीधराचार्य अप्लाई करने का कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. आप क्या करिए, जब भी आपके फैक्टर्स आपको लग रहे हैं कि थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है क्वेश्चन, तो अप्लाई कर दीजिए श्रीधराचार्य. ठीक है, उसके लिए कोई मतलब ऐसा हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं कि कभी कब लगेगा कब नहीं लगेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो चलिए अप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं x इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. तो x इक्वल टू, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस b, दिस इज द माइनस 3 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac b स्क्वायर, it means minus 3 square minus 4a, the value of a is 1, the value of c is minus 1 upon 2a, it become 2 into 1. After this what I can say? I can say x is equal to, this is the minus minus plus 3 plus minus square root minus 3 square become 9 minus minus plus 4 1 ja 4 upon 2 1 ja 2. So the answer will be 3 plus minus square root 13 upon 2. यहाँ पे हमको दो वैल्यू मिलेंगी. एक वैल्यू हमारी पॉजिटिव होगी 3 plus root 13 by 2, और एक वैल्यू हमारी कितनी आ गई? नेगेटिव 3 minus root 13 by 2. So I hope all of you understood this thing, children. Okay children, so now I am moving to the next part. Let's see what is the next question. Wow, amazing. What is given here? 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5 is equal to 11 upon 30. X does not equals to minus 4 and 7. Okay fine, it is a easy question, not the difficult one. Okay fine, so I am going to tell you. Just a second children, एक प्यारा सा कलर लेके आते हैं. हाँ, now fine. So let's see how to do this question बच्चा. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. First of all take the LCM. It will be x plus 4 and x minus 7. I will do the cross multiply. This is the x minus 7 minus this is the x plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now this is the x minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon, do the multiply, it become x square and plus 4x, correct, x square then 4x then minus 7x then 7 4 ja 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now x and x are cancel out, it becomes 7 and 4 minus 11, minus 11 upon x square plus 4x minus 7x minus 3x minus 28 is equal to, it become 11 upon 30. Now I will cancel 11 and 11, it become minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 30. Now I will compare the both part. How do it? Just do the cross multiply, it become minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. I will transfer this minus 30 to this side. Now I am having x square minus 3x and plus 30 minus 28 is equal to 0. So what you are having? X square minus 3x plus 30 minus 28 2. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is your standard form. apply the Sridharacharya. X is equal to minus b, it become 3, plus minus b square, it become 9, minus 4 into a is 2 into 1 upon 2a. X is equal to, is it not visible to you? Yeah, it is visible to you. Fine. X is equal to 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 become 1 upon 2. So now the final answer is here. X is equal to 3 plus minus 1 upon 2. So what you can say? You can say x is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. So you can say finally your answer will be like this. It will become x is equal to 4 upon 2 comma 2 upon 2. So 2 2 ja 4, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, 2 comma 1. This is the answer. So I hope all of you understood this thing. Now move to the next part. What is बच्चों अब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर है 4. द सम ऑफ द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रहमान सेज in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. Find his present age. चलिए ओके, लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे बच्चे, लेट कर लेते हैं. लेट द एज ऑफ रहमान is equal to x. ATQ according to question what is given here, 3 years ago. So 3 years ago what will be the age? 3 years ago it will be the x minus 3. ठीक है. After this 3 years ago and 5 years from now, 5 years from now what the age will become? It become x plus 5 and the sum of their ratio is 1/3. So how I will write? I will write like this, 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. ठीक है, correct. So I have got my equation. Now I am going to do the simplification. Simplification करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या मिलेगा हमको. सबसे पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. दिस इज द x minus 3, दिस इज द x plus 5. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये हो गया x plus 5 प्लस x minus 3 is equal to 1/3. ठीक है. So after this do little bit more multiplication and what I will get, look at this. Here I will get x plus x, it become 2x, 5 minus 3 it is the plus 2, and here x minus 3 x plus 5, x minus 3 and x plus 5 is equal to 1/3. Now I am going to erase this part and I will solve this question to this side. Just a second, 1 second children. Yeah, fine. So now I am going to tell you how to do. So you can write down 2x plus 2 upon, do the multiplication, it become x square minus 3x plus 5x and after this minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 3. Do the cross multiplication, it become 3 2 ja 6x, 3 2 ja 6, x square 5x minus 3x, it become 2x minus 15. So I will transfer this value to this side, it become x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what I can write down, I can write down x square 2x minus 6x, ये कितना हो गया, माइनस का 4x माइनस 15 माइनस 6 माइनस का 21 इक्वल टू 0. तो इसके फैक्टर करेंगे, x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस 3x माइनस 21 इक्वल टू 0. So from this line what I can say now, I can say या तो हो जाएगा बच्चे x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x माइनस माइनस प्लस 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Take these two terms inside one bracket, these two terms inside one bracket. It become x square minus 7x. Take the plus sign, 3x minus 21 equal to 0. From this step, take the common x, it become x minus 7 plus 3. Again, this is the x minus 7 equal to 0. Take the common x minus 7 and this is the x plus 3 equal to 0. So now you can say x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. Age cannot be negative, so the age of Rahman is 7 years. Okay, I hope all of you understood this thing. Chaliye, we are moving to the next question. What is the next question is given here? Look at this. Question number 5. It's a good question. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Let करते हैं. Let marks in maths. Marks in maths is equal to x. And after this, what is given here? And the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay. marks in English. Now I can say marks in English. So how many marks will be there in English? It become 30 minus x. Why it is 30 minus? Because it is mentioned here English plus math is equal to 30. English plus math is equal to 30. If maths marks are x, then you can say English marks will be 30 minus x. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? Now according to question, what is given here? Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics? So if I will increase 2 marks, it become x plus 2, and 3 less marks less in English, so 30 minus x minus 3, the product will be 210 according to question. So I can write x plus 2, 30 minus 3, it become 27. 27 minus x is equal to 210. After the do the multiplication, it become 27x minus x square plus 2 into 27 and minus 2x is equal to 210. आफ्टर दिस व्हाट आई कैन से इसको ट्रांसफर करते हैं उस साइड में, तो हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर, पहले माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर 27x माइनस 2x, इट बिकम प्लस 25x एंड 27 टू जा 54 माइनस 210 इक्वल टू 0. सो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर 25x एज इट इज और 54 210 minus 54, it become 0 minus 4, it becomes 6. Here 10 minus 5, it become 5, and this is the 156 is equal to 0. So just multiply with the minus, it become x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So you know you are having x square minus 25x plus 156. Now you can do the factors and you will get the answer. Okay, so do it by yourself. Chale, I'm moving to the next question. What is given here in the next question? Okay, look at this. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. First of all, I say this is the rectangle. I can say this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. The diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, 60 meters more than the shorter side. Let shorter side be x. So I will write down like this. Let shorter side be x. So the diagonal, what the diagonal will become? Diagonal is 60 plus x. Okay, according to the question, if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, longer side this is the 30 meter more than the shorter, 30 plus x. They are saying find the sides of the field. So first of all, draw a diagonal like this. So these lines are perpendicular. You can say this is the 90-degree angle. So in triangle CBD, yeah, CDB, I can say what I can say BD square is equal to CD square and plus BC square. The value of BD, that is the diagonal is 60 plus x. So you can say 60 plus x square is equal to CD. The value of CD is this is 30 plus x whole square plus x square. Now I'm going to do the simplification. So what you can write down now, 60 plus x square now, so square of 60 become 3600 plus, after this what will happen, yeah fine, plus x square and plus it become 120x is equal to 30 square 900 plus x square plus 60x plus x square. Now what you can do, you can do one thing, x square and x square are cancel out. So what you are having x square plus this is the 60x plus 900, transfer this value to this side, it becomes 3600 or minus 120x is equal to 0. I hope all of you getting my point. Is it not visible? Okay, now it will be visible to you. So what you can say x square minus 60x, because this is 60 plus 60, this is minus 120 minus 60 minus 60, 3600 minus 900, how much it become? It become minus 2700 is equal to 0. So you can say x square minus, I will do the factors, 90x minus 30x, 90 minus 30 it becomes 60 and 90 into 30 it becomes 2700. It is the 2700 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 90x inside one bracket minus minus plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0 inside one bracket. Now I'm going to erase this part. So now look at this, what I will get, yeah, So see, I had taken the common x. This is the x square written here. So what I will do, I will take the common x. It become x minus 90, and here plus take the common 30. It become x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x minus 90 is common between these two, and you can say x plus 30 is equal to 0. Now the value of x will be 90 because x cannot be negative. So you know the shorter side, x is equal to 30. What you can say, x is equal to 30. Diagonal will become 90, and longer side will become 60. I hope all of you understood this thing. Oh, sorry to say, this is the 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 150, and 60 plus 90 plus 30 it become 120. Okay, so diagonal is 150 and longer side is 120. Now we are moving to the next question. What is given here? It is okay children, now we are moving to the question number 7. What is given here? The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Okay, see how to do this question. It's an easy question. So according to the question, what is given here, I can say there are two numbers where x is greater than y. So what you can say, x square minus y square will be equal to 180, and the square of the smaller number, so I know the smaller number is y, so the square of the smaller number y square will be equal to 8 times of x. Am I right? Y square is equal to 8 times of x. So this is the first one, this is the second one. Now put value of y square in equation first. So what it will become? It become x square minus 8x is equal to 180. So here x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. X square minus, this is the, I can say 8x is given here, so I can say 18x minus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. X square minus 18x minus become plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. After this take the common x, it become x minus 18. From here take the common 10, it become x minus 18 is equal to 0. This is x minus 18, this is x plus 10 is equal to 0. So from this line you can say x is equal to 18. So the value of x is 18. So what is the value of y? I can say y will be equal to, it is given here now, y square is equal to 8 into 18. So I can say y 18, 8 जा 64 कैरी किया 6, 8 1 जा 8, 8 6 41 44, तो y is equal to become 12. तो the value of x is 18, y is equal to 12. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं.